Hello, my name is Robert Brooks, and in this video I am going to go over my Project 2 remote data for ASDI, ASDI 1402. I had a lot of fun on this project, probably too much fun, considering it's only 10 minutes before the due date, or excuse me, 15 minutes before the due date, and I'm doing my video right now. But I learned a whole lot about everything. But I'll go over my code first. We'll start with my app.js file, very clean. Not a lot of information on here, but I created the table view, and from here that's really it. And I required obviously my remote variable here is to require the layout. So the next one we'll go to is my data.js, which this has all my data that I'm pulling from reddit.com. I chose to pull the api.reddit.com, their top news, from their top news API, JSON, and this goes through, and I built a for loop, or excuse me, I built a table view section, and then added some rows to it. Brought in the domain. I brought in the domain, the row title, I didn't bring in. I had the author, but I didn't bring that in. But I also used the URL, which was kind of cool because I used that to open a web view later. All right, I added a label. Instead of adding the text or the title to the row, I added two labels to it, and then the rest. And I exported the XHR function, or excuse me, my variable XHR to the layouts.js. Now layout. I created a window with a couple different views, or with a view and a label. One of them is a read more label, and I added an event listener that when you click on it, it launches a web view window of where the story is coming from. So if it's coming from CNN.com or wherever, added a back button to close the window and go back to the table. Let me show you real quick. This is the launch screen right here, and you'll see I've pulled all of their top news stories from Reddit.com. And when you click on this right here, you'll hit it, and it will tell you the title. And there's this. I added this read more label right here, and when you click it, it pulls up a web view of the actual article. So definitely pretty cool. I really enjoyed learning how to do this web view. So, and then when you go back, it goes back to the table, and then you can choose any one of these. So it was a great project, and I look forward to week 3. Thank you, and take care.